Victor Frankenstein and Robert Walton, becoming or surpassing God, and the punishment humans will experience by interfering with the natural order through Galvanism. Frankenstein sentimentally defends and yet skeptically attacks domestic and social tranquility. Through the subversion of traditional biblical and Christian religious paradigm, Frankenstein explores how creation can be diminished by a negative human nature. The misuse of knowledge can violate God's natural law, specifically as we cannot bring people back from the dead or create life because humans are not God. Theorist Josh Train-Ellis perceives the Frankenstein text as mocking the concept of God, where Victor Frankenstein assumes the role of God as the creator. In contrast to Train-Ellis' theory, Jamie Perlstein alternatively interprets Shelley's exploration of religion in Frankenstein rather as attempting to show that life should only be created naturally by God. The importance of religion and God is relevant in Shelley's message that we, as humans, should not try to assume the position of God. Brave New World is set 600 years in the future in London, in 632 after Ford, centuries before the society presented in the setting of the text and civilization as we know it has been destroyed. Within this new context, almost all traces of the past have been erased. As Henry Ford, theorizer of Fordism, said, history is bunk. The utopian society world-state limits knowledge of the past in order to stabilize their present and future, as citizens will not be able to compare their present with anything that will make them want to change their present. Society presented within Brave New World focuses on the prime goals of collectivism, community, identity, and civility versus individual freedom. Themes within Brave New World challenge the emergence of totalitarian regimes in the attempt to establish a utopia with the aim of inducing collective happiness. Blind happiness is primarily controlled through the use of the drug soma, with the goal to keep individuals docile and compliant. This evaluation of Huxley's Brave New World assisted me in understanding the appeal of a society with less war, pain, and responsibility, although at the cost of valued individual knowledge and freedom. The novel's character, Mustafa Mon, describes the medical science creation of humans as the foundation on which everything else is built. During the process, fetuses